Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create your own Excel templates in Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find Excel? Very simple. You can find Excel in Microsoft Store because Excel is a product of the Microsoft Store. So launch your Microsoft Store, type in Excel and follow through the on-screen prompt to download Excel. After downloading, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to create your own Excel templates or Excel templates in Excel. So let's say this is a template that I've worked on. I have different categories in this particular spreadsheet. From the A column to the AB column, I have a lot of things going on and different things are going on at the same time. So let's say I want to make this my own Excel template so that I can as well easily access this template and just edit it. So next time I don't have to go through the same process over and over. How can I create this, make this a template? So head over to the top left corner where you have the file option. Now click on the file option, and once you click on file option, now you have info, you have new, you have open, you have save, you have save as, and even down to options. So go ahead and click on save as. Once you click on save as, now you have to select the folder that you want this template to be saved in. I want it to be saved in the document folder, so just click on document, and now you have the file name. You can edit this file name to whatever you want, so just click on that and edit it, but I'm just going to save this. So let's say I'm going to add template to this. So this chief thoughts template, and now I have the save as type. This is where you're going to enter the command. So click on that and you're going to have to look for Excel template in here. So you have the Excel workbook, you have Excel macro enabled workbook, you have Excel binary workbook, you have Excel 97 workbook, you have CSV, and you have XML, you have single file, you have web page, and you have Excel template. That's exactly what we're looking for. So just go ahead and click on Excel template, and once you click on Excel template, now that is it. Go ahead and click on save. And once you click on save, that's going to be saved as a template. So that has been saved as a template. Now you can use that template whenever or wherever you want to. Like you can use that template at any time. So here I have this featured. So okay, I'm sorry, I didn't let you know how to go here. So go ahead and click on file, and once you click on file, click on new. So once you click on new, let's see if that template was added. Now you have featured, then you have personal. So go ahead and click on personal, and you see that these work templates that you use can now be used for something else. So you can open up these chief thoughts work template and use it whenever you want to. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.